I don't care how personally you take an attack or an assault on your chosen spiritual practice of Ifá. Do not argue and fight with people. Don't argue and fight with people about your spiritual choices. It sometimes could be also an adversarial spiritual energetic force that is presenting itself, and you just bit the bait. That family member not agreeing with your spiritual practice, that's not going to change your practice. You're still going to practice. And a lot of times when these individuals don't agree with our spiritual lifestyle choices, there's no amount of rational evidence that you can give them about the history of our people. There's no amount of rational evidence that you can give them about, the spiritualities we practice indigenously before, some of us were brought into the diaspora. There's absolutely nothing you can say to some of these individuals because they've got their mind made up. And they've got 13 scriptures prepared for your one piece of evidence. Leave these people alone. Let them say what they're going to say. Keep it moving. Some of you might feel like, Olóyè, my stance against this family member is an act of victory, self-preservation, self-love, self-care, and revolutionary radical defending of my own self and my inner child. Okay, listen, if it is that serious and that deep for you, if you must defend yourself verbally, I recommend you do it with the highest degree of divinity, the highest degree of tact, the highest degree of gracefulness, the highest degree of integrity and beauty and love. You do so lovingly. You don't do it to hurt them. You don't retaliate verbally to hurt somebody just because they have hurt you. If you must speak up for yourself, you do so in a way that shows love to your inner child and also care and acknowledgement for the divine being within that person, whether they are showing up as their most high divine selves or not. You don't choose to go down that low.